I found the glass vase and some rope from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start by using some hot glue, and I'm going to start wrapping the glass in the rope. The shape of this glass worked perfect for what I wanted to do, and I'm just going to keep wrapping the rope till the glass is completely covered. I'm going to create a circle with my hot glue and take some more rope and wrap it on the glue. And then I'm going to paint the inside of that wrapped area. That was a large one. I also found this other glass. Sorry, it is smaller. And this time I started wrapping it from the bottom, but basically getting the same results. And again, made my circle and filled it in with black. These are those bees that I picked up at Hobby Lobby in the party section. These were left over in a pack of about 8, and they were only $2.99. And I found these ribbons also at our Dollar Tree. It was gingham, a bee, and then one that had a hive or honeycomb type print. And I did all 3 and wrapped it around the neck of this vase. And then I filled the large one with some sunflowers. I filled the smaller one with some greenery after I wrapped the same ribbon around the neck of that vase and cut it off. And I thought this was a really cute way of displaying a beehive in a vase. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.